So for this equation, what you want to do is find the x and y intercepts. So what you want to do is you create your input-output table. So you have the x and y value here, and you make two spots. So we're going to let x equal 0 on one, and then let y equal 0 on the other. Alright, so what we want to do is work on this section here first that I box in red. Okay, and what that does is it makes this let statement. Let x equal 0, and then y is equal to, we don't know. That's why there's an empty spot there. So what we want to do is figure out what y is. So what we do is that where we see an x, so notice how it's x there, so I'm going to have it blank here, plus 3y is equal to negative 3. So where I see the x, I'm going to put a 0. Okay, so then I work it out. 3 times, so you have 0 here, so 0 plus 3y is just 3y equals to negative 3. And if we divide by 3 on both sides, we get y is equal to negative 1. So we have that y coordinate, so I go back to the box and I put negative 1. So I plot that on the y-axis, so I look for it, and the point is going to be right here. Okay, so this is my coordinate 0, negative 1, which is the y-intercept. Okay, now I work with the bottom one. Okay, so let me draw a line right here. So then I work with this section here. So with that section, what it does, it gets another let statement. So let x, and since x is blank, I'm going to put a question mark because I don't know what it is yet. But I do know that y is equal to 0. So where I see the y, I'm going to put a 0. So I'm going to go ahead and plug that in. So I'll have x plus 3. And we don't know what y is yet. So I'm going to plug in 0 is equal to negative 3. So where I see the y, I'm going to put a 0. And then I'm going to go ahead and work things out. So I multiply first. So this section here, 3 times 0 is 0. So I'll have here 0. And then x is equal to negative 3. So x plus 0 is just x. So I have x equals to negative 3. Okay, so then I have my x value, and I put it right here, negative 3. Let me make that 3 a little neater there. Negative 3. Okay, so then what I do is I look for that on the coordinates. So x is negative 3 and y is 0, so that'll be about right here. Okay, so then this point over here, that point is negative 3, 0, and this is my x-intercept. Okay, so then what I do now is go ahead and plot, connect the two dots to make my line. So you try to eyeball it the best you can, and you connect the dots, and there's your line.